Hello everyone, welcome to a new blog. Today is Valentine's Day and today I have decided to make a breakfast which is healthy and colorful too. So I have decided to make beetroot besan chilla. For that I require besan, red bell pepper, grated carrots, grated beetroots for color. It is red in color, so it will look very nice. Now I am mixing the besan with water. Now I will add the chopped bell peppers, chopped tomatoes, grated beetroots, grated carrots, and mix them well. I have taken all vegetables which is red in color. As we all know, the color of love is red. So I have decided to make this breakfast red. Now I am adding some chopped onions, some chopped red chili, and mix them well. Some salt. Now I am adding oil in the pan. Very less oil it is needed. When the pan is heated, I am giving a small portion of this batter in this way. We have to do it is in very low flame or it may get roasted. Now we will flip very carefully. To serve it, I am making some raita with cucumber and grated beetroots. Beetroots for the red color and it will look like this. And now our chilla is ready to serve. Serve it hot with cucumber and beetroot raita. I have added some fresh fruit for garnishing.